Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition. Today we're going to learn how to sing the minor scale. Ready? Let's go! All right, now I know you're thinking it's kind of weird that our last time we learned how to sing the major scale and now we're learning to sing the minor scale. And you just might be thinking it's weird that we're singing for ear training. But knowing how to sing our scales is going to help us determine intervals when we hear them. So we're going to need to know how to sing our scales for that, which will be coming up later. But I just want us to get ready. All right. So singing our minor scales is very similar to singing the major scale, except for it's la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Okay? So I'll have the music up on the screen so you can see and sing with me. So if you don't remember how the minor scale sounds, it sounds like this. So it would be like this. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. All right, go ahead and sing with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. La, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. And just like with the major scale, you're going to want to sing what's comfortable within your register. So let's sing a couple others. So here is our next note. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. Great job. Let's do another one, shall we? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la. All right, great job. So the words will always be the same and it'll always sound the same. Just where our note stands is what changes. And if you're looking at our key signatures, the sharps and the flats is also what changes, but it always sounds the same. So get comfortable with the way it sounds, get comfortable with the words that come with it, because we are going to need it. All right, great job today. I know it was a short lesson, but it's just something we kind of have to practice on our own, because if I just sit here and do it, it's going to feel very repetitive. So just make sure you fit that in here and there with all your other practices. All right, thanks for joining me, and until next time.